Alright mga kaslats, for this video guys, is all about the power supply. Mga kamaski, welcome back to my channel guys. If you are new to my channel, hit subscribe first, and of course the notification bell for you to get notified to all my important videos guys. So our topic for today is all about repairing of the power supply. So this power supply guys is for BALLY V32, yeah, the old model of the BALLY machines, right? So main monitor power supply model V32, yeah, no output voltage guys. Let's go and check this power supply. Alright mga kamaski, mga ka-slot technician, yeah, slot technician. So guys, let's check this power supply. What's going on? Yeah, I have to remove the bolt first. So I always do it with the magnetic screwdriver because it's easy for me, because I didn't bring my tripod, right? So easy for me to remove the bolts. Okay. Alright guys, tips. First, so once you already remove it, so let's check this power supply if it's already it was checked before, right? So this is for BALLY V32 main monitor. So at first guys, we have to check the initial, first thing first, we have to check the fuse, right? So let's check how many amperes is the fuse should be. In T4A is 4 amperes, 250 volts, right? But the fuse inserted here, so it's 315. It's 250 volts, but 3.15 amperes. So a little bit smaller than rating of fuse type, yeah, type of fuse. So this power supply is already repaired before, so it's another problem again. So okay, at first we have to check the fuse if it's blown or not, right? Alright, so we have to check the fuse. So it's 315 fuse, so definitely it's a fast blown. Alright guys, so we have to check the fuse if it's already blown. Alright, so we have to do it, this one. So I use only my one hand test, because I hold the other hands for my cell phone for my video. So but I can manage to test by one hand only. See, you just do like this, steady the other one, steady, and use the other one to the other side, point it. So there is nothing guys, so definitely it's blown away. So okay, let's test this too. So you can hear that it's working, our tester, but for this side of the fuse, nothing, there is nothing. So alright, if we have to investigate, because what is really happening of the fuse, it doesn't matter if it's a little bit lower than the rating, it is the 4 amperes, because 350 is a little bit only difference. It can hold if there is no other problem of the components of the board, right? So now we have to test. Let's test directly to the transistors, right? transistors. So we can check here. There is no blown for capacitors. No, nothing. So we have to test these one by one, the transistors. So for the capacitor, I have a capacitor tester here. Yeah, so this is also good for testing the capacitors. Alright guys, let's start. Let's start to test the big capacitor here. Yeah, the big capacitor, it's good. So it's going to see, it's going to, so this is the start. See, good. It's a big capacitor, so they don't have problem in that big capacitor. Let's move to the small capacitors here. So okay, capacitors, this capacitor is working, also good, also good, also good, also. So right, we will check this small one. This is the one alone in the middle. Let's check if it's working or not, right? So yeah, this is the one, guys, right? That's the one. So let's check if it's working or not, that capacitor. So I am struggling with my video right now. Okay, so I have to put this up. Alright, so I think you can see also here, pointing here. Okay, this capacitor is not working. Other side. No. Yeah. So we found out one problem, two problems already, the fuse and one small capacitor. All right. Right. All right. So it's already removed. Yeah. So it's already here. So we got already removed this blown fuse. So we have to double check is working or not. So nothing. It's working, eh? So this one, this tester is also test with can test as well with the fuse. This is good. Right, let's put it, and so now we can test. If you are alone soldering these small parts, nobody hold it. It's very simple tricks, guys. You just put the electrical tape. Okay, just put electrical of the capacitor connected to the board in order not to move this so that you can solder properly, right? See? And then you can solder now at the back behind without holding the cups. So now you can solder the capacitor properly. Yeah, and the other one, right? Yeah, see that? Very good. See, one this side and one this side. So that's the tricks. Yeah, so guys, that's the tricks of soldering these small capacitors that nobody help you, or no one help you to hold while they soldering the cups. So all you have to do, put the electrical tape or any tape that you have to, that you can hold the capacitors. Yeah, good. So here, let's test the capacitors, guys. We'll see if it's sounding or not. Yeah, okay, anyway, this is not sounding, but as you can see here on the test is, how am I able to put with a good one? Test. All right, okay, I'll do it like this. And then have to hold the camera. Alright, as you can see, test. Let's see, it's moving. Test, good. Mga kamaskay, let's put it back. Okay, put it back now. Kasi yan yung ating broken monitor V32, the broken monitor V32. Wow! Good job! It's working! It's working! You see the light, guys? The lights! The lights! The lights! Right! So, unfortunately, guys, we cannot put this capacitor, this cover, because the capacitor that we put is a little bit longer. See that? Goes to grounded. So monitor is working. So you can see has a signal, video and everything. And then let's check if it's loading or not. Oh la la! Wow! Very good. Ooh, working guys, working. So right guys, I just put this, it is very long, the capacitor that we put. I put some stopper here, like a protection, because you know what he did? I don't know who made this hole. This is should be the protection for this capacitor, but so in order for us to put it back, the cover, so I put the protection here, so we can put it back now, this cover. So monitor is working already.